Kom ons lees Skool Tyd. Let's read school time. School is school, tyd is time. School time. Seun, which is a boy. Seun. Ek is a seun. I am a boy. Ek is a seun. Meisie, girl. Meisie. Ek is a meisie. I am a girl. Ek is a meisie. Kinders, children. Kinders. Ek sien 4 kinders. I see 4 children. Ek sien 4 kinders. Ons is we. Ons. Ons is 8 jaar oud. We are 8 years old. Ons is 8 jaar oud. Klaskamer, classroom, klaskamer. Dit is ons klaskamer. This is our classroom. Dit is ons klaskamer. Graad 2, grade 2. Graad 2. Ons is in graad 2. We are in grade 2. Ons is in graad 2. Tafel is a table. Tafel. Dit is a tafel. This is a table. Dit is a tafel. Stoel, chair, stoel. Dit is my stoel. This is my chair. Dit is my stoel. Boek, a book, boek. Dit is haar boek. This is her book. Dit is haar boek. Papier is paper. Papier. Dit is hulle papier. This is their paper. Dit is hulle papier. Potlood is a pencil. Potlood. Dit is sy potlood. This is his pencil. Dit is sy potlood. Uitveer is an eraser. Uitveer. Waar is my uitveer? Where is my eraser? Waar is my uitveer? Skêr, scissors, skêr. Here is my skêr. Here are my scissors. Here is my skêr. Gom is glue. Gom. Here is haar gom. Here is her glue. Here is haar gom. Skerpmaaker. It's a sharpener. Skerpmaaker. Waar is jou skerpmaaker? Where is your sharpener? Waar is jou skerpmaaker? Vriend. Friend. Vriend. Dit is my vriend. This is my friend. Dit is my vriend.